Imagine this: a massive crowd, legendary artists, mind-blowing performances, and an atmosphere that feels like pure magic. That's right, we're talking about Lollapalooza 2025. This festival isn't just about music. It's an experience, a movement, and a cultural phenomenon that brings people together from all over the world. But what makes Lollapalooza so special? Why does it attract hundreds of thousands of music lovers every year? And what's new in 2025 that you absolutely can't miss? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about Lollapalooza 2025. Oh, and before we start, if you love content on personal finance, investments, and making smart money moves, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video to support the channel. All right, let's jump in. Asterisk, one up the legacy of Lollapalooza. Before we talk about 2025, let's take a step back. How did Lollapalooza become one of the biggest music festivals in the world? Started in 1991 by Perry Farrell, the lead singer of Jane's Addiction, as a farewell tour for his band. Over the years, it evolved into a massive multi-genre festival covering rock, hip-hop, EDM, indie, and more. Hosts top-tier artists like Metallica, Billie Eilish, Kendrick Lamar, and even BTS in recent years. Now takes place in multiple countries, including Argentina, Brazil, Germany, and Sweden. Question: have you ever been to Lollapalooza before? If yes, what was your favorite moment? And if not, which artist would make you buy a ticket instantly? 2. Lollapalooza 2025 lineup and must-see artists. Now let's get to the most exciting part, the lineup for 2025. Who's performing this year? And who are the must-watch artists? Headliners for 2025. Taylor Swift making her Lolla debut. Drake bringing his chart-topping hits. Foo Fighters, rock legends returning. Bad Bunny, Latin music takeover. Skrillex and Fred again. If you love EDM, this is the set to watch. Emerging artists you can't miss. Ice Spice, the rising rap queen. The Last Dinner Party, one of the best indie rock bands today. Peso Pluma, Latin vibes are big this year. If you could add one artist to this lineup, who would it be? Let me know in the comments. 3. Ticket prices and how to get the best deals. Okay, now let's talk about the part that hits the wallet: ticket prices. General admission, GA, starts at $400 for the full weekend. GA Plus, extra perks like premium restrooms and exclusive bars. VIP tickets, starting at $1,500 with front stage access. Platinum tickets, the ultimate luxury experience for $1,000+. How to save money on tickets. Buy early. Pre-sale tickets are way cheaper. Use cashback credit cards to save on ticket purchases. Go for one-day passes if you can't afford the full festival. Check for resale deals, but beware of scams. Would you spend $4,000 for the ultimate VIP experience? Or are you more of a budget traveler? Let me know. 4. What's new in 2025? Every year, Lollapalooza brings something new and exciting. What's happening in 2025 that sets it apart? Bigger and better stages, state-of-the-art LED screens and visuals, AI-powered music experiences, personalized set lists based on your music taste, sustainable festival, 100% plastic-free with a focus on eco-friendly practices, Metaverse streaming. If you can't attend in person, you can watch in VR, secret pop-up performances, rumors of Billie Eilish doing a surprise set. Which new feature are you most excited about? And do you think AI and the Metaverse will change the way we experience festivals? 5. Final tips for an unforgettable experience. Before we wrap up, here are some final tips to make your Lollapalooza experience amazing. Wear comfortable shoes. You'll be walking a lot. Stay hydrated. It gets hot out there. Download the festival app. Helps you plan your schedule. Bring a portable charger. Your phone will die. Plan your meetup spots. It's easy to get lost in the crowd. What's your number 1 festival survival tip? Share it in the comments. And that's a wrap on everything you need to know about Lollapalooza 2025. It's going to be an epic festival with insane performances, new tech innovations, and unforgettable memories. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to InvestoSphere for more awesome content on personal finance, investing, and smart lifestyle choices. Also, let me know in the comments, are you planning to attend Lollapalooza this year? And which artist are you most excited to see? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.